You can now snap to extension lines and intermediate points. This reduces the number of clicks you need and speeds up your modeling. Let's make another beam in the same direction as the first one by snapping to line extensions. See how dimensions are displayed for selected objects. We can also alter the beam length by dragging and dropping the handle.